What's up, guys? We're the MIZER brothers, and we're up at the crack of dawn today because we're doing something very fun. Sam, what do we load up right here?
My factory wheels and tires in the back of your truck.
Why would we need that, guys? Because today we're going to Bessemer, Alabama to Town & Country Ford, home of Town & Country TV, to see the big guy, Mitchell Watts. The Aturos that we just put on the Wolf, we're gonna let you know how they drive on the way down there, because when we get down there, they're not coming home. These tires are done for, and we're gonna ride back home on Sam's stocks.
I told y'all.
Gone. He don't lie. When we say it, we do it, guys. There's no clickbait on Backroad Driver. Never, ever, ever.
In this video, we're going to show you some behind the scenes with our collaboration with Mitchell Watts, Town & Country TV.
Town & Country TV, right now, at the time of making this video, has over 180,000 subscribers. Their videos regularly get huge amounts of views. They have all the latest Ford stuff, and then they also have TC Customs, which does full truck builds. They've got a whole separate part of their dealership that just customizes trucks, and they may even customize other vehicles. We're going to find out when we get down here. But they put out hundreds and hundreds of videos over the last few years, grown a big channel. We're going to get to see how their operation works, learn from them, and then do some crazy stuff with the truck that they're probably not used to doing on their channel, because they're always using a customer's vehicle or reviewing something that's for sale. The Wolf's not for sale. The Wolf's for having fun. So that's what we're going to do today.
Is that a good start?
I think that this is going to be a good day. I don't know what Mitchell thinks about all this, but
I'm a little nervous. Just a little bit, but I'll get over it.
I think our audience has a lot in common, but I don't know that the style of video is always the same. Maybe we're more barbaric. I don't know.
What's crazy is that the businesses 3 miles away are going to wonder what the heck's going on around here. And as you can see, the MIZER brothers have also sanded and repainted those front emblems, just like we do with a lot of our TC Customs builds. One of my favorite things about this particular truck is the way that this thing looks as far as aggressiveness on the blower system. It's got their YouTube channel plastered on the side of the truck, and I think it's actually pretty cool that their logo matches that red and the black theme on the Leary Special Sport Appearance package. You do have your Chevy style rear steps. I know, I had to.
We got Corvette tips and Chevy truck step up.
That's, you know, if they make a good part, put it on.
Be a great video if Mitchell Watts wrecks your truck.
At least I'll be outside of it. So Mitchell's got some sales guys that actually sell high performance stuff. They sell some Roush stuff. Mitchell was saying maybe not anything with this high horsepower. He's gonna get their reaction from inside the truck. You let out.
Do that out.
That thing sounds good. I don't know that I've ever heard it from behind on a launch like that. I'm gonna have to let Sam drive the truck more often, because that sounds freaking awesome. It doesn't look like it's hopping.
That sounds like a plan. I'm gonna take him up on that.
It doesn't look like it's hopping that much. So I think our Roadmaster solution is gonna work out. It drives great too with those Roadmasters on it.
As I said, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think we had enough stopping room.
What are you getting out for?
You want to do it again? Is it okay if we do it again?
Yeah.
This is addicting.
All day long. So
This is my drug of choice. Ready?
Missed the gear.
This feels so wrong. Yes. One, two, test mic 1, 2. And there you go, guys, burning the tires on a well, not brand new, but not anymore, not after I got a hold of it. But yeah, you can see the nice little skid marks all the way down. So huge thanks to...
Are you closing out?
Yeah.
We're not done. If you get back to the passenger seat, put your seatbelt on. I'm going to show you how we finish the video.
Am I going to regret this?
I mean, you raced last night. he's right with his maker. Let's get it done.
Okay, let's do it then. All right, let's go.
And that, my friends, is how you end the video.
Oh my God. Oh.
Wow.
Hey man, I feel like we've been here before.
I'm having deja vu all over again.
My man. I've never felt this asphalt so sticky.
That's what we call the Snoop Dogg. I don't even know how that happened.
Yeah, that's a whole nother meaning of hot box right there.
Coming out of the tailgate.
It's good.
I've never seen that.
Welcome to Bessemer, Alabama, boys. Well, yeah, mission accomplished, I would say.
They went a long time.
Oh yeah.
I mean, they still got.
We probably drive home on those, can't we?
Honestly,
As long as it don't rain, you might be all right.
Great. That's what I'm saying. Like, traction would be pretty good right there.
Well, is that normally to have the fire come out like that, really? I mean, is that unusual?
Where now?
Fire coming out of there.
Okay. So
We've done that before.
We caught that on fire one day and it started catching brake fluid on fire. Yeah. That was Harry.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out this behind the scenes. We're very appreciative of Mitchell and his crew allowing us to come down here to Bessemer, Alabama to Town and Country Ford, visit TC Customs, meet a lot of their people. One of the friendliest places you'll ever come, one of the friendliest places you'll ever get anything from. They've been very gracious, and there's a link down below in our description. 15% off on most everything on the TC Customs site, and that's even some stuff that usually doesn't get discounted. So if you want to upgrade your truck, they've also got a lot of experts here. And they can help you get your build started if you want to do something like the Wolf.
Absolutely, absolutely. And just to speak on that, it's not just Fords, guys. We do all makes and all models. Although we are obviously a Ford dealership first, but TC Customs does all makes and all models. So, and we're very, very used to doing that. So, man, thank you so much for making the drive down.
We need to make sure we go sub to Town and Country Ford because they do a lot of similar content, and they're a lot smarter than we are on the tech side of things. No offense, Sam. Sam's really awesome. But Mitchell Watts is about 350 videos in, and they've been in the Ford business and in the truck business for over 20 years.
Yeah, 21 years going on now with customized and selling customized vehicles.
So these guys have forgotten more than almost years I've been alive.
Come on now. Come on now. Man, appreciate you coming making the drive down.
Thanks, brother.
Absolutely.
Peace.
Peace.
I'd say this is about as far going as the tires have ever been on this channel.